This is Short Bible Stories, where ancient words come alive. In just a few minutes, journey through powerful moments of faith, courage, and redemption. The Bible, one short story at a time. In the twilight of King David's reign, the tales of his mighty warriors shine as testaments of valor and unwavering loyalty. As chronicled in 2 Samuel 23, 8-39, these elite fighters were more than mere soldiers, they were legends. At the forefront was Josheb-Basshebeth, also known as Adino the Eznite, who wielded his spear against 800 foes in a single encounter. His courage stood as a beacon for all to see. Close beside him was Eleazar, son of Dodai the Ahohite. In the heat of battle, when the men of Israel retreated, Eleazar held his ground, fiercely swinging his sword until his hand grew weary and clung to it. His steadfastness led Israel to a great victory that day. Then there was Shammah, son of Agi the Hararite. In a field of lentils, as the Philistines advanced, he took a solitary stand, defending the plot and securing triumph for the Lord. These three are among the revered trio known as the Three. In addition, there were the 30, a group of valiant men who showed unparalleled bravery in their deeds. Abishai, brother of Joab and son of Zeruiah, led them with distinction, striking down 300 enemies with his spear. Betrayed by fate, he did not attain to the 3, but was honored above the 30. Anaiah, son of Jehoiada from Kabzeel, was mighty in deeds. He struck down 2 champions of Moab, descended into a pit on a snowy day to kill a lion, and defeated a giant Egyptian with his own spear. His exploits earned him a place of honor among David's elite. As we recount these tales, we remember not just warriors, but heroes whose names resonate through history: Asahel, Elhanan, Ira, Abiezer, and others. Their bond with David was forged in battles fought side by side, cementing legends in the pages of time. Through battles and bloodshed, David's mighty warriors stood resolute, champions of their king and nation. Their legacy is one of courage, a testament to an era defined by unwavering faith and unparalleled loyalty. In the final years of David's reign, their stories remind us of the power of unity and the enduring spirit of those who fight for what they believe in. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels here on YouTube. They are Hard Biblical Questions, Top 10 Most Loved Bible Verses, and Senior Life Simplified. Please check them out. I think you will like them. Thank you, and God bless.